everyone. Now, in this session, I just want to explain some free sources from where you can get ready-made JavaScripts. As JavaScripts improve the quality of your web page, it will add some effects to your web page. So we can use ready-made JavaScripts as well. If templates part, templates as a ready-made design. Templates provide a ready-made design for your web page. Similarly, JavaScripts can provide a good presentation for your web page. Like if you want to add animation to your web page, you want to make your images moving or blinking, then for that effect you should use JavaScript. And for smart work we use some ready-made JavaScripts. So how to search it? See, here just on Google I'll just write free JavaScript code, and I'm getting various links. So one is the JavaScript kit free JavaScript. So from here you can get free ready-made JavaScript. And how to use the scripts, these particular sites has also mentioned there. So one site is this. One of the famous site is this one, the Dynamic Drive HTML and JavaScript code library. It is one of the famous and very useful for JavaScript. So here are the categories, which type of script you want to use in your page. See, suppose I just want to add a scroller. Scroller means you want a moving text or you want a moving images. Then there are a lot of scripts here present. According to your choice, you can use any. And let me show you one script how to use in your web page. See, here is the text and image crawler. See, this particular website will explain you how to use this type of functioning in your web page. So first it is showing the demo part, like text is moving in this way, and second is the image moving. So here is the demo of this particular script, and below here it will showing you that how to use this script in your web page. So just follow the directions which are given here. Like step 1, insert the below code in the head section. So you have to paste this code in your head part in your particular web page. Then for this JS file, that is JavaScript, is used, and here is the link to download that particular crawler.js file. After that, when you done by these sub steps, just add this code, insert the following sample on your page, like in your body part. Just insert this text in the body part, and after inserting, see, if you want to change the parameters, like if you want to change the speed, so all of your settings for crawler are specified by the parameters you want to enter into MarkUnit. While there are a number of parameters used, so if you want to change the speed, if you want to change the height, width of like images or text, so you can done. So all page will explain you about how to use this particular script and how you can make changes if you want. And the main advantage is then various categories are present there. Like let me show you one more, as this is the scroller part. See, mouse and cursor. If you want to use a JavaScript for your mouse, suppose one important thing I want to tell you, that here it is right, like Firefox, Internet Explorer and Opera. That means this particular script will work in these browsers, Chrome as well. So you should understand this thing, that before using the script part, you must know about that it will be useful or it will be run in the particular browser or not. Like let me show you one example. See, circling text trail. So here is the script. See how it works. This one is another website. From here also you can get effects. So these sites provide you all the steps to work. Sorry, my network connection is out. So here is this is the circling text trail. See how, look at your mouse. See, now here's the effect of circling text trail. So it is a mouse effect that I am moving mouse here and there, the circling text trail is moving. Okay, so here is a good script. You can add this script in your web page, but again one limitation of JavaScript is that it varies from browser to browser that it will run or not. So before using JavaScript on web page, you should know about your browser and the limitations by the particular script. So see how to use this particular script. Here is the code for this. Just add the below code in the head section, and here you see the code written is, the text written is dynamic drive. If you want to change the text, then simply here in the particular script you will get the option of text, changing the text. So you can make changes to the script as well. Okay. So one is your dynamic drive, second one is your JavaScript kit. Here are various types of scripts. If you want to use like rainbow text script, just simply click on that. So rainbow text is, see here is the changing color of your text. So how to use this? Here also this particular website is providing the instructions like add the below code where you wish the header to appear on the page. So just copy and paste this particular text and find the rainbow text in your this script, and you can change this text to as according to your choice. So these are some beautiful sites or beautiful that's offering ready-made JavaScript from where you can add in your web page and make a beautiful attractive website. Let me show you one example that how to add a particular script in your web page. So here is a web page, and let me add my code of this, that rainbow text. Just simply Control A, Control C, copy the code by selecting the text and simply paste where you want the text, like here I'm going to paste here. See, if you want to change the text, that when you run it you will see the rainbow text is written. So if you want to change that text, see here, so here it is running rainbow text. If you want to change the text, then simply find the text variable and change the text here, like welcome to the world of computers, and just try to run this. So in this way, if you want to make changes to this particular text, you can do that. See, here is the example. So by this way you can add scripts to your web page and make them attractive.